Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video we bring to you another awesome and a delicious recipe, chicken and vegetable stir fry. To make this stir fry, I've got here some chicken breast which I've already washed and cut into sizable bites. We'll go ahead now and spice it with some garlic powder, ginger powder, curry, and the chicken seasoning. I'll mix it together to make sure that it enters into every part of the chicken. After which, I'll cover it and allow to rest for about 30 minutes in the fridge. You can fry it right away, but I'm leaving this to prepare the vegetables. I'll keep it in the fridge to rest for about 30 minutes. After keeping the meat in the fridge to marinate, I went ahead to prepare the vegetables. And here are the vegetables. I have the green bell pepper, red bell pepper, carrots, and some onions. And I also have here scotch bonnet pepper. Now that everything is ready, let's go ahead and stir fry them. Into my dry pot, I'll add some oil, allow it to heat up, then pour in the marinated or spiced chicken breast. I try to separate them so that each of them can sit on their own space. And I'll allow it to fry like that for about 5 minutes, and then I'll flip to the other side. Then I'll continue to stir fry until the chicken is cooked or done. Keep watching. After about 15 minutes, our chicken is well cooked. Next, I'll go ahead now and add the chopped onions and continue to stir fry for about a minute. Next, I'll add the pepper. I will also add the carrot and stir fry for about 2 minutes before adding the bell peppers. It is now time to add the red bell pepper and the green bell pepper. I'll add them and then give a little stir. And then to sum the whole thing up, I'll be adding a quarter cup of light soy sauce. This will bring out the whole flavor in the stir fry. And I did not add this salt, or I have not added this salt because of the chicken seasoning I use and because of this soy sauce. So if you are making this, be careful of the have to use salt. I will allow everything to cook for 2 more minutes and we are done. And please, if you have not liked the video, please do so now. Click on that like button and also share the video to your friends and loved ones. Thank you. It is now time to test and confirm our cooking. So delicious, so delicious. I like how firm the vegetables are, and with the taste of that soy sauce, the chicken, everything is so perfect. I hope you'll be giving this a try. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give us a like. Please like the video, share the video so that this video can go viral. And until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.